Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kyle, and today we'll learn about percentage increase with SpongeBob Krabby Patties. These skills is super useful. It helps you understand price change, grades, or even how much you improve something. Let's start by understanding what percentage increase means. Percentage increase tells us how much something has grown compared to its original amount. The formula is new amount minus original amount divided by original amount times 100%. Now that we know the formula, let's try the example. Yesterday, SpongeBob cooked 80 Krabby Patties, but today he cooked 120 Krabby Patties. How much has SpongeBob's patties making increase in percentage terms? Let's solve it step by step together. Step 1. Increase is equal to 120 minus 80 is equal to 40 patties. Step 2. Divide by the original is equal to 40 divided by 80 is equal to 0.5. Step 3. Multiply by 100. 0.5 times 100% is equal to 50%. SpongeBob patties making increase by 50%. Now, you might be wondering why this is important beyond math class. Percentage increase isn't just for math class. It's helped you see your grades improve, how prices change in stores, or how your skills grow over time. Let's wrap up what we've learned. Remember, percentage increase is equal to new minus original divided by original times 100. It's a simple tool for understanding change in everyday life. I'm your teacher, Kyle. Bye-bye.